Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And this video, I'm going to discuss about my Google Sheet Scanner, how this produced the result for this weekly and monthly and in intraday. In this video, I'm going to discuss. And this sheet is act as a scanner for the stock options mainly, and it is looking for an ATM options we are filtering out. So as of now, this month we are getting a lot of stocks, and in this week, so we got a lot of opportunities because the last week and next week is the monthly expiry is going to happen, and only 4 days and given. Only 3 days. One day is the holiday and next week, so we are not planning any trades for next week. So as of now, our monthly positional concept which we are looking for, and those are tried based on our advanced option strategy. So how many stock which given you the monthly positional first we can look for, and almost 9 stock which already triggered our target, but right now it is reducing its premium due to some movement down. So I think Bajaj Auto, BSOP, and STFC, AMC, and even MCX. These are all the stocks which has already achieved our target. So now, and Coal and the City Union Bank that done our target, and GNFC also it moved. As of now, comparing to the current closing price, this is what percentage we got it. So as per this closing, so we have some 5-6 stocks more than 40%, which is increased from our entry point. But in a food side, so you can see there is a more than 30% is almost 14 stocks. So from that sale which we are done on Life Session and Bandhan Bank and ICICI Prudential Life Insurance and even Axis Bank. So these are all the opportunities which given. And more than 20% almost M&M Finance. This is the one more trade which we find out on a real time. So once it is triggers 18 rupees, the same day it went up to 21. After that long term, it is traded on the 18 level and even less than that. And finally now it is 22. So overall market is mostly the movement for this month is only gap up and gap down. So majority of the movements. So after that, the gap up and gap down is try to recover or it is looking a flat. Today also same kind of a day which is happening. But even though based on our concept, we have this much of stock and monthly positional that was achieved, and already call side we seen 9 stocks and put side as of now, so we have seen around 7 to 8 stocks. So overall mixed move on this month, but our overall market is not moving anywhere. But this is what our result based on our advanced option strategy on a monthly positional. Why we are making this video? Because hereafter we are not going to plan for a monthly positional trade, and the next week only 3 days is available for a trading. So we can't hold, and also physical delivery, high margin requirement. So a lot of thing which we have to focus. So we are not planning any trades. Maybe if you want to plan on weekly positional. So this week, so in call side we have some stocks, but put side in last 2 days we have a lot of stocks. Last 2 or 3 days we have a lot of stocks, and many stocks which given you monthly positional targets like Biocon, Syngene, MPS, Sara Pharma, LTTS. So lot of thing which is going to give you some better target. So maybe this week, if you are following our advanced option strategy, we have many stocks which triggers on a put side, and concept we have some few, and intraday. So one thing here I can see MCX 2180, and we can't able to buy because it is about a gap up, and also it is a previous closing is not a valid one. But today it started and it was a great move on MCX. The based on the previous close we are calculating. So 2180 because of illiquidity issue. So look at this yesterday's closing price of this particular stock is around 15 paisa, but today opening itself it's showing a 50 rupees. So due to gap up. So let me go to check MCX. Okay, so this is the thing. So immediately to open. So use, and that was going to give you better opportunity, but that particular strike price is not giving you liquidity. So that this is one. Okay, so that's the thing. So which you have planned on intraday. So that's the thing it is showing you this much of profit percent. We are not looking for Kodak Bank and Muthoot Finance UBL. As you are looking for a UBL, I think it is a gap up one. But after that, it doesn't move. So 1570. We are looking for a UBL 1570, and it is a gap up. And after that, it moves slightly and then it returned back. But it is a gap up. It doesn't give you the opportunity. So why we are looking for a fresh breakout? So if you are looking for an average 1360 on intraday, So that is what on 1360 put option side. This was triggered at this time of 11 o'clock. So this is what a fresh breakout. So 36 is the highest level. Our entry point on a Havells is sorry. This is also maybe a retracement. So this time it given you the breakout. So it is going to give you such a better opportunity, and that was a great thing which we have got it. A lot of stocks which is in put side that was given based on our advanced option strategy. This intraday sheet is purely works based on the indicator, not based on the advanced option strategy. But monthly and weekly positioning is purely works based on the advanced strategy, and you'll be getting such a good trade monthly. So based on our advanced option strategy, I'm not planning to take this much of a 20 stocks, 30 stocks. I'm just planning to weekly 2 to 3 trade for quality and liquid stocks, and monthly at least 4 to 5 stocks is good enough. So, but even we got a lot of stocks from this place. If you're looking at some quality stocks, so I can go for SBIN. See, 5.5 is triggers when we do live session, 94 put option, right? So now it is moving higher. So after sometimes later, it was not liquid. If you are looking at this, so I'll go for a 15 minutes or even a 60 minutes. You can see here around 6 rupees, 5.5 is triggers, and then it went up to 8 point, and then it turned back to 4.5. Again, now it is back. So as a positional trader, if I'm holding, so that is going to be generating such a better opportunity for us. Okay. So this is not a positional thing. And intraday is entirely different. It is works based on the Cambrella R4 levels. So we are developing that tool in a Google Sheet that is going to give you some better opportunities. And you need to Petronet, you can see 240 put option. So what is happening on Petronet? So fresh breakout. So here is a 15 minutes. Started with the 12, and it is not a fresh breakout. So we need to find out a fresh breakout from this list, and then we can go for it. So I hope you understood about this concept. This is what a thing which we are planning as per our concept, and I hope you understood. And we have a Navaratri offer for this Google Sheet, and monthly and weekly, sorry, monthly, 6 month, and 3 months, and yearly plans also be updated. So those who are using our Google Sheet, I have just updated and on them on that on WhatsApp. So what is the offer which I provided? This is what an offer which I have just given for people. So here the pricing of Google Sheet is option scanner, and the monthlies are normal price is 1,200 per month, and 3 months. Sorry, think some issues. So 800, 8,000 per 3 months, and 6 month. I think some mistakes. Okay, so the price is around 1,200 a month, and 3 months is about 1,000 rupees in monthly. Sorry, 3 months if you are going for 1,000, and 6 months if you are going for it is around 833, and yearly plan if you are going for it is around 848 and 666. So that is what a plan. So here is some changes, 666, and if you are going for a 6 month plan, so the price would be around 833 per month. So, and if you are going for a month, 3 months, that would be 1,000 rupees. So this is what an offer which you are going to get based on our Google Sheet. If you are really interested, you just connect me through WhatsApp, which shown on this video, and you can get this offer. Thank you for watching, and thank you so much.